In the name of care, we travel far and wide, across thousands of miles. What keeps us going is the warmth of a place to belong, a place that feels like home. At that moment, as the red cloth gently fell, it wasn't just a ceremony. It was a promise from heart to heart. Between the company and its people, like two hearts drawn to each other, you move forward with determination, while we stand by in quiet support. Between motion and stillness lies a gentle balance shaped by time. Care is no longer just a slogan. It becomes something real, right there beside you. Inside this heart, there are 4 windows. One window to reflect herself, to care for physical well-being. One window to look inward, to find emotional balance. One window to illuminate the depths, to discover the strength. And one window to connect, to hear the echoes of shared journeys. Reflection, restoration, and connection. These moments of care quietly support her world day after day. It may not be vast, but it is a place to rest and to feel at ease. A small haven filled with warmth, a book to escape the noise, a cup of water to warm the hands, a kind word to ease the day's fatigue. They are what they are, mothers, wives, daughters, but also themselves. Here, they are seen. Here, they are cared for. Home isn't always far away. Sometimes it's right beside the workshop, just beyond the door, within a space filled with care. CRRC at Home, a place where every woman can find a sense of belonging. This too is home.